Are you tired of your monkey smelling like rotten bananas?
Well, we have a solution for you!
Try Sniff That Monkey, and your monkey will have the healthiest and best smelling fur in the jungle.
Most of you monkey owners use monkey brains, and trust us, the only thing monkey brains does is mess with your monkey's brains.
Katy Perry has tried this on her own monkey, and here's what she has to say about Sniff Dat Monkey.
Hey guys, before using Sniff That Monkey, Roger would scratch himself all over and had fleas all in his fur. So, when I started using this amazing shampoo, he had no more scratching or fleas, and he smells great. Thank you, Sniff That Monkey.
You heard her. Our shampoo really does work.
So use Sniff That Monkey on your monkey.
You will for sure be sniffing that monkey.
Sniff that monkey! Sniff that monkey! Yeah!
Sniff that monkey!
Yeah! Sniff that monkey! Yeah! Sniff that monkey! Yeah!
Your monkey will have a party.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel so paper thin, like a house of cards?
Sound effects man.